this talk, I will discuss about my research area, relaxed memory concurrency. Traditionally, we understand concurrency by thread interleaving, where shared memory accesses in each thread execute in order and the threads interleave in arbitrary manner. This is formally known as sequential consistency. In reality, there are some additional behaviors which cannot be explained by thread interleaving, and these behaviors are known as relaxed memory behaviors, and the overall model is known as relaxed memory concurrency. Such behaviors takes place due to compilers as it reorders instructions for optimization purpose, and hardwares perform instruction execution out of order, or the data movement are not instantaneous in the multi-core architectures. To understand it, let's look at one example. In this program, x and y are shared variable initialized to 0, and the program has two concurrently running threads. In the first thread, x is written value 1 and y is read in A. In the second thread, y is written value 1 and x is read in B. So in no interleaving execution, both A and B equal to 0 is possible. Now let's see how compilers may result in this behavior. Compiler may find that the access pair in each thread is independent and reorders them. After that, we can find an interleaving execution where the read operations takes place before the write operation, and in that case, both A and B equal to 0 is a possible outcome. This is a serious problem in various aspects. The programmer typically assumes sequential consistency, which has been foundation for many concurrent algorithms we know. The analysis and verification tools also typically assume interleaving behavior, and these assumptions do not work for relaxed memory concurrency. The compiler developers are also unclear about the optimization under relaxed memory concurrency, so they become more conservative, which results in suboptimal compilation, and yet there are compiler bugs in the regular state-of-the-art compilers. To address this problem, my research is focused on developing concurrency semantics for programming language, which takes into account the effect of the compilers as well as architecture's relaxed memory concurrency models. The semantics or the programming model has different conflicting properties. The model should be strong enough to provide programmability guarantee for the programmers. It should discard the bogus execution and provide some guarantee for well-synchronized program. At the same time, the model should be weak enough to allow compiler optimizations and allow efficient hardware mapping. At the same time, we want to cover all the concurrency primitives which are present in C++ concurrency model. There has been a long-standing effort to achieve such a model since 1996 when Java memory model was first proposed, and till then there has been many failed attempts to achieve this model. Finally, in 2019, we proposed weakest concurrency model which address all these major concerns in a single model. If you want to know more about this model or about my research, feel free to write me or ask questions. I will be happy to answer. Thank you.